Welcome to Building Machine Learning Systems with TensorFlow by Rodolfo Bonin, a video course by Pact Publishing. I am Doug Stevens, and I will be Rodolfo's voice for this course. Rodolfo Bonin, a systems engineer and PhD student at Universidad Tecnológica Nacional, Argentina. He also pursued parallel programming and image understanding postgraduate courses at Uni Stuttgart, Germany. He has done research on high-performance computing since 2005 and began studying and implementing convolutional neural networks in 2008, writing a CPU and GPU supporting the neural network feed forward stage. More recently, he's been working in the field of fraud pattern detection with neural networks and is currently working on signal classification using ML techniques. This video, with the help of practical projects, highlights how TensorFlow can be used in different scenarios. This includes projects for training models, machine learning, deep learning, and working with various neural networks. Each project provides exciting and insightful exercises that will teach you how to use TensorFlow and show you how layers of data can be explored by working with tensors. Simply pick a project in line with your environment and get stacks of information on how to implement TensorFlow in production. Now, let's look at our course. We'll start from scratch. The introductory section will guide the reader in understanding the main components of a TensorFlow application and the main data exploring methods included. The next section tells you about the possibility of grouping different kinds of data elements, defining previous similarity criteria. Now, the next section will allow the reader to define the first mathematical model to explain diverse phenomena. Next section is the first step in modeling nonlinear phenomena with a very powerful and simple mathematical function. Later, we will move on to simple feed-forward neural networks, allows you to comprehend the main component and mechanisms of neural networks. In the next section, we'll see the convolutional neural networks, which will explain the functioning and practical application of this recently rediscovered set of special networks. Next, we will see the recurrent neural networks, which will show a detailed explanation of this very useful architecture for temporal series of data. After that, we'll move on to the section Deep Neural Networks, which will offer an overview of the latest developments on mixed-layer type neural networks. Finally, the last section will cover the installation of TensorFlow on Windows and Mac architectures and presents you with some useful code tricks that will ease day-to-day tasks. This video is a practical guide to implementing TensorFlow in production. It explores various scenarios in which you can use TensorFlow and shows you how to use it in the context of real-world projects. This will not only give you the upper hand in the field, but shows the potential for innovative uses of TensorFlow in your environment. This course opens the door to second-generation machine learning and numerical computation. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey together, and I hope you'll enjoy it.